Happy Sunday! What's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day so far. If you are, that's fantastic. Let's get into today's video. So today, this is my Sunday reset routine. Basically, so right now it's about 3 p.m. out. It's getting really dark because it's supposed to rain, but that's okay. So Sunday mornings, I like to get up kind of early. I always post my video on Sunday morning, so I spend some time on YouTube, and then I like to complete my schoolwork for the day. I like getting all of my stuff done in the morning so that I have more time in the afternoon to prepare for the week ahead. And then after finishing my homework, I did a workout. One thing that I like to do while I'm exercising is listening to childhood songs. Those songs just distract me from what's going on in real life. I just like listening to old One Direction and Taylor Swift songs. So the workout I did today was a 20-minute jog/walk, and then I did a full body MadFit video workout, which was very fun. I always do my workouts on Sundays, kind of in the middle of the day, just because why not? So I'm going to start off the productivity phase, I guess, of this routine with planning my week out using my Erin Condren Life Planner, my mild liner pen marker things, and then my Sharpie calligraphy pen thing. So basically, yeah, I'm not going to explain this. I'm just going to, moving. And yeah, obviously as the week progresses, I will add more things to the planner. That's just all the stuff that I know as of right now that I will need to do. And the sun is totally going behind the cloud, which is great because every single time I seem to film, it seems to rain, which is a little bit annoying, but that's okay. Also, today is very special, and I thought I'd include this in this part of the video because my new planner came, because my old planner stops at June, so the new planner for the next 12 months. This is also the Erin Condren planner. I'm just gonna unbox it right now, because why not? Open this up. Ooh, it's very nice. So this is what my new planner looks like. It kind of looks really similar to the old planner. Went with the gray theme again. They come with a bunch of little free cards and such. And then you can customize them, obviously, because I got to choose the color scheme. Could obviously put my name on there. And then you can choose the layout too. So I chose the vertical layout again. It's just so cute. So this is my new planner. On to the next productivity thing. Okay, the next productive thing is washing the comforter on my bed. I'm not sure how often you're supposed to wash your bed comforter. I wash my sheets every week, FYI. I don't know why I'm telling you this, but whatever. But anyway, starting the week off right with a fresh comforter/blanket thing. This is so poofy, it's so fluffy. Let's throw this in the wash. And now moving into the bathroom. So now, like I try to do every Sunday, is clean the bathroom, which just involves wiping off the countertops, cleaning the mirror, clearing the toilet, all that fun stuff. And yes, I very much enjoy cleaning too. And whatever. Also, this is how thick my glasses lens is because my vision is poor. Also, for some reason, my hair literally sheds everywhere too, which is really annoying because then hair gets everywhere. And now the mirror is clean to take mirror selfies, even though I don't even do that really. Nor do I do it in the bathroom when I do that. Whatever. So now that I've completed all of my productive stuff, it's time to do the fun stuff, the fun self-care routine. Because self-care isn't always fun exactly, but it is taking care of yourself, like cleaning the bathroom. That's not the most fun thing, but it's good for you and your hygiene, obviously. Also, I don't have a set relaxation routine. I just kind of do whatever my body feels like it needs. But now it's time to do the fun, relaxing things. So the first fun thing that I'm gonna do is paint my nails. Woo, because this is not working. I'm gonna do like purple and purple. I'm gonna paint like one shade of purple on the one hand and then the other shade of purple on the other hand because I really like that trend and I think it looks cool. Painted. This hair is in my mouth and I can't get it out. Okay. Whew. Now, just while I let these dry, I'm just gonna watch some TV, relax. I like when my nails are painted because you can't do anything with your hands while your nails are drying. Having painted nails forces you to relax. So let's do that. Okay, so now it's right before dinner. I'm quite hungry, but I'm not gonna eat because then I'm gonna ruin my appetite, and I don't want that. Now I am going to read. I'm rereading The Hunger Games. I'm on Catching Fire right now. It's so good, as always. I've reread these like way too many times, but whatever. So I'm just gonna read and try not to fall asleep because I'm so tired. It's like 9:30, but I just finished eating dinner. I mean, that's not really true. I ate dinner like 2 hours ago. But I just kind of watched TV with my parents and we just kind of relaxed for a bit. And now I'm gonna get ready for bed and scroll through Pinterest. And that's the end of my routine. I'm gonna try to go to bed early, probably before 11 o'clock. Yeah. And also, I just realized this lighting is bright orange and that's not very good. But that's it for my routine. It was just kind of a chill day where I did some productive stuff and just some relaxing stuff. Nails are done, which is very satisfying. I think I'm gonna put on a face mask because self-care equals face masks according to the internet and everywhere else, you know? But thank you so much for watching this Sunday reset routine. If you liked it, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below anything you want to, turn the notification bell on, follow me on Instagram. Yep, thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye.